Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, with a tip for you today about how to make your chair and sofa cushions look fuller and better. If you are like me and you have some cushions that have started kind of sagging and looking baggy, especially in the corners, you don't have to live with that. You can fix it yourself just by, I'm going to tell you, 2 bags. Because you look at this is polyfill, and it's a fiber that upholsterers use it for that very same reason, because it doesn't always fit perfectly, so they'll shove a little polyfill in. And the thing is, you think, wow, that's huge, that would fit this whole thing. It condenses so much, you're going to need twice what you think you will. But here's what you do. Unzip it. Now, mine are down, so you might see a feather or two, but look how much fiber fill has had to be put in there, simply because cushions and pillows just sort of collapse, especially over time. So what I do is I add a whole bunch of this stuff, and let's see if that's enough. When you zip it up, hold your finger under the zipper or it's going to catch all that fiber fill. In fact, it did catch some unzipping it. But anyway, you zip it back up as best you can here, and you'll be amazed at the difference, and especially in corners, like I said. You know, they even sell looks like a knitting needle or a drinking straw or something, that they push it into the corners, but you can do that with your fingers. So you go like this, and now my little saggy baggy corner looks a whole lot better, and when it goes on the sofa it's going to look full instead of kind of scrunched. It's easy to do. You can do it quickly, and you'll just think it will look like a brand new piece of furniture. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, go to my website, jonihilton.com, and buy my books and read my blog and watch these videos. Do you know I have over 200 of these online for you on all different topics and life hacks. See you next time.